好，要追 connect。Hello。
So, are we live now? Yeah, we are live now.
Hi, Sebastian.
Hi, Sebastian.
Sebastian.
Hi. How's everyone? So, we are now printing a Benchy. And wait, can you hear me, or is the audio and video just right? Is it fine?
Looks kind of frozen.
No, it looks blurred. And wait, yeah, everything's fine. So, hola. Hi, Rain. So today we are printing a Benchy, as you can see, but you know, guess the speed of the Benchy we are printing right now. We are doing a test, and we are gonna count the time
Yeah.
with this. So yeah, we are gonna count time with this.
So
Yeah.
shall we print again? Print again after this printing finish
Yes.
and start counting to show how long does it take to print the bench.
Yeah.
Yeah, yesterday I printed less than 15 minutes, but I don't know if we can hit 14,
Mm-hmm.
and we will see. Yeah, we will see.
Sure.
And let's get so so any guess what T5? How long could T500 complete the Benchy? Any guess if if we push to the limit? Any guess?
Okay, that's Alex.
Not a
Parts missing? No, everything seems to be fine. Yeah, I think the bench is fine. And yes,
It seems almost finished.
yes, it print fast.
there is a
Oh,
wire.
it's because we didn't connect the filament runout sensor because we are on a 3 kilogram PLA filament. So obviously we don't need filament runout sensor for that. So
Hi, Matt.
yeah, but we can connect it if you want, but it's not a must. So hi Matt.
Glad to see you.
And we will have the timer on it, and I think this bench will finish in just 1 minute,
All right.
and we will put this on. And to demonstrate how fast could T500 print a perfect Benchy. Yes, that's
Yes.
pretty quick. And actually, the acceleration of T500 right now is 8,000, and the deceleration I tuned it to like 3,000. So that's fast. For Benchy printing, the point is not the speed, but the acceleration and deceleration.
Yes.
Okay,
And
I'm
that's
gonna put this timer on, and we will start it again.
Yeah, let's get it.
So I'll grab Benchy and Holden, could you, show it
Sure.
to our audience?
Sure.
Yeah. That's shaking. Oh, it's because the table. The table is not stable as
Yeah,
we
yeah,
thought.
yeah.
So
You could train 1000% bench with the yes.
here you go. I need to find a way to stick it on the view thing. Start.
The guys can see that.
Wouldn't you showing the Benchy?
Yeah. Let's finish.
Yeah, that printed in around 14 minutes.
And this time we're set the timer for it.
They can't see the.
So you can see the timer.
Yeah, can't see.
Okay. Probably I should move it.
Yeah.
How's that? Same style. No, she can't see. She can't see. And yeah.
Maybe put in the
That-
right
that-
side. Put here.
Right side.
Put here.
Okay. And,
Yeah.
so it's heating up right now. So we wouldn't count the heating time because it's gonna be unfair for
Yeah.
the printer in this scale. If you count the heating time, it's unfair.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, just
Yeah.
the pure solely printing time. The print can start in any time right now because it's hitting to its target.
Mm-hmm.
It's hitting up. Here's the fans. It's gonna print. It's gonna print. So let's start.
So now it's starting.
The printing starts.
Yeah.
So it's a high-speed printing challenge for T500.
Yeah. So we're gonna to print another bench. And
Yeah,
show you how fast we can make it.
and it's going to show from start to the end
So
the whole process of Benchy printing.
yeah, printing another Benchy with a timer so you can see how fast it could print. And what's green? Oh, because it's just in the file, so we cannot miss it. I know we can push like 10 or 20 seconds without the print, but yeah, why not? We are very confident of what it can do. So,
Okay.
uh, okay, we're seeing short purge time. Okay, so
Maybe it is because it just finished the last printing work and some filament was left on the nozzle.
yeah,
We didn't clean it up.
and you know what? I I realized, we claim like 20 millimeter per second is the recommended speed, but we didn't say the maximum speed of T500.
Yeah.
Uh, I haven't pushed to its limit, but I think it can print like 400 or 500.
Millimeter per second.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, I have tested 400 millimeter per second and it works fine, but we just recommend you to print at 200 millimeter per second.
Yeah. And we will make a video to show you guys about the 500 millimeter per second printing work.
I don't know because 500.
Yeah.
I don't know if 400 is the top is the ceiling of the printing speed, but yeah, I definitely try. Honestly, that's a stupid idea because you will definitely see layer shifting with that speed, but I'm not sure.
So let's
And
just give T500 a challenge
uh,
to see what is the maximum printing speed for it.
purge time cover my entire bed front to back. Purge. Oh, you mean this line here? Yeah, it's just this short. This this isn't the purge line.
Chain?
Let's change.
You mean our T500 chains or something? I think our chain is working normally and nothing goes wrong.
Okay, 4 minutes passed. So
Yeah, the base of the bench is almost finished. It's
I start to worry if T500 can shake off the timer because it did it last time. So yeah, I'm kind of
that
afraid
that
of
that
that.
means
So
T500 is so powerful.
yes, because we just unleash the beast and set the acceleration to its recommended maximum. So yeah, the print head traction. I like how it writes gantry. Yeah, thank you. Uh, so the wires won't go anywhere. You know, it sticks on the gantry.
So by the
And
way, Sebastian just said that
yeah,
we can print the 1000% bench with
what's
this.
up, person Benchy? How long is that Benchy? I haven't measured it.
Let me check.
Probably 5 centimeter and 1,000
Yeah,
percent.
around 5 centimeters.
Yeah, we probably can print a 1,000 skull. So 1,000% in skull.
Maybe T500 can do that. have the
Yes.
enough size to bring the 1000.
Yeah, but I think most people will take it as a waste of filaments,
Yeah.
probably. But yeah, we haven't done that yet. But okay, we got new comment here. Yeah, you'd like to see a print running full speed at max height. Max print full speed at maximum height, and not quite sure because I haven't done it. You know, the print won't come loose because we are using a PC speaker, and if you switch to a PI bed, you probably will see a shaky or failure print, but that's PC speaker. So oh my,
Probably
the,
shake.
the timer already came off the print bed, so I'm gonna to secure it. I'm gonna secure it. So.
The machine is so powerful.
So, any guess on the finishing time? You have to run y-axis input shipping for the timer on the print pad again. Yeah, that's a like probably 50 grams. Like, I don't know how much it weighs, but comparing to T500 6 kilogram hotbed, yeah, as you can see. Comparing to its 6 kilogram hotbed, the timer seems to be like nothing. 10, 10 minutes, 20 seconds. 10 minutes, 20 seconds. I don't think T500 could finish that fast. Uh, wait, and it should take like 3 or 4 minutes longer to finish. It should. Slides to yellow. Slide to yellow. And what layer height? And the layer height is 0.3. We are using a zero point 0.6 nozzle. Is that what you want to hear, or you pretty much insist a zero point 0.2 millimeter layer height? The best we have printed with a zero point 0.2 layer height is like 70 minutes, but we can do it like 3 or 4 minutes faster if we switch to a zero point 0.3 layer height. Um, First print was 40 minutes. I did it yesterday and it finished in 14 minutes and 20 seconds.
And maybe you can see that in this
Yeah,
test.
we just finished one. You know, we just finished it. This one, this one, and it's a perfect Benchy. I won't call it a quality Benchy. Say I will say a perfect Benchy in 40 minutes.
Well, Ron, do you think can finish in 40 minutes?
Yes. And it's going to do the selling. The selling. You only print Ghost Ship Benchy? Yeah, I saw that one and it's pretty cool. And we can actually print with silk filament, but I haven't tried it yet. Haven't tried it yet. And probably we can slice a Ghost Benchy right here.
Right here?
Yeah,
Do you need another computer to do that?
yeah, probably I might need my computer
No,
to do that.
you
So,
might too.
okay. Okay, 12 and a half minutes. So the setting right now is 300 millimeter per second and 8,000 acceleration. And if you want to see a even faster Benchy, you can type in the comments. Probably do some, yeah, Dual Z is both linear rare. So and 13 and half minutes we have 20 seconds. And I think it won't be finished in 20 seconds. I assume it gonna finish like in 1 minute. Uh, what's up? What's up? Hi. Okay, it's finishing. It's finishing. I'm gonna go there, ready to. So the time is 14 minutes and 38 seconds. You can everybody can see it. 14 minutes 38 seconds with this perfect benchy and no problem on the overhand, the breathing, everything looks good. In this mode, uh, I haven't pushed to its limit when printing base mode, And
we have to plug this.
wait,
Or I can change the seat with you. That is closer to it.
no. I think we need to borrow a plug. And hard to make it out white on camera. Um, I don't know if we should print a silk or black or any other color. And I will give it a closer look on this. So this is yes. So we are now slicing a ghost Benchy. So let's see how fast we can finish it. Yeah, it does look good. So 14 minutes and 38 seconds. Yeah, I finished it at like 20 seconds earlier. I mean 20 seconds shorter in time yesterday, but I don't know what took like 20 seconds longer today. And I thought we can do it in 14 minutes and 30 seconds.
This filament.
Yeah, it should be this one. Is it free? Oh, yeah, it's free. So and we are now slicing a ghost benchy and gonna print it live. Ghost bench has much more details. Should be interesting. Yes. Uh, I'm thinking if I should, slow down the acceleration, just in case of any layer shifting, because, yeah, it's definitely much more difficulties than this normal benchy. So we will see. We will see. Okay. And why don't we switch to a silk filament? Okay, we got a. Let me see what we got. Yep. So, how do you think about this color? It's a gradient purple and green. So, I think it fits with Benchy. And I print a mega jewel with this filament. The mega jewel. Look how cool it is. I think we should put mega jewel here, pretending Joe is in our pretending Joe is in this room. So, okay. Is this sauce or are you slicing? Wait,
Still trying to download it.
could you connect to? Wi-Fi or
Yeah. Correct.
yeah, Thingiverse is still responding. So
It's like for free.
yeah, so while waiting, why don't we just print a regular Benchy with this silk filament and let's see how fast could it print.
Let's do that first, and later we will try those bench.
Yeah, it's all about Benchy today. It's all about Benchy today. You know what? My conscious told me to, to slow down the acceleration
Yeah.
for silk filament, but I don't want to do it. Let's stick with 8,000. Let's stick with 8,000 acceleration. That's what's speaking out.
I've got one more 3D cuts. That's 3D.
Yeah, let's try that. Yeah. So we are now printing with silk filament and see if we can have a similar result just like the regular PLA. The last camera, you think the alien cat
What?
from your laptop is on the printer? Oh my, yeah. If you put it, this is that. Yeah. No, alien. I think they don't make 3D printer yet, but who can tell? It's looking just fine, and it sticks well. I think it can succeed. Are we having problems? And
Crash. Crash this page.
yeah, the slicer estimate it to be finished in 14. The time is 14 because we slice the like it is the exact setting we are now having on the T500. We just manually adjust the maximum of the acceleration on the touch screen, and we adjust it from 3,000 to 8,000, which is the maximum acceleration we recommend on the actual printing. So it was just like a kind of the safe mode, but you can unleash the monster manually. So, oh, you mean for the ghost Benchy? We are still slicing it. I don't know what's going wrong on that computer, but it was freezing. So yeah, we are now slicing it again because with that much of detail, it should take like 20 minutes or 25 minutes. Those are reasonable times, for the ghost bench. I think T500 is gonna tear apart this desk. I think in 1 month. We can have a more more sturdy desk than probably. I'll say hot and attached to the printer. There is a black plate. Oh, there is a back plate that you can attach the tour head on it. So yeah, it looks tiny. So yeah, that's tiny. And I'll put a finished benchy on it. So that's a finished bench. And we printed 19 19 benches on the build plate. a, a army of the benches. So give it a closer look. 8 minutes ready. I think silk filament definitely gonna show more about its detail. So and when it's finished, I'm gonna put it right on the camera. So any guess about the finish time for this silk benchy? It's always print multiple print at once, so that's great to see. Yeah, but the traveling time is gonna. The traveling time is like terrible. Like 50% of the time we spend on that print is traveling. So I would prefer to print it one by one, but if you need to print it overnight, you can print a probably a dozen or 2 dozens. Everything's looking fine, and any guess on the finish time? Not this time. Wait, Hello. So if you got more questions on T500, you can just ask me, and I'm here to answer your questions. So, I'm pretty confident it can finish in 14 minutes. So, why is there no lights on the hotel? Lights. Oh, I didn't turn it on because that's gonna be too bright for that camera. You know, I can turn it on so you can take a look. So that seems to be too bright. So how about I turn it off? How about I turn it off? So,
That is shining on this
yeah.
screen.
Here you go. And hi. Hi.
So now,
Yes, it's a clipper machine. Yeah, native clipper. We didn't do any alternation or change anything. It's just clipper.
it's
Oh yeah.
actually
So
40 minutes and 38 seconds.
yeah, so exact the same time we had as we did finish. Let's take like UA. So the time is 40 minutes and 39 seconds for this silk Benchy. Sorry, please forget. Oh yes, it's a touch screen. It's a 7-inch touch screen, and we have a native clipper installed. And Ariel, can you give us any information about how fast we can print different size nozzles? Yes, of course. And the best record I have for Benchy, print with a point 0.2 layer height with point 0.4, so is like 17 minutes and 30 seconds. And with point 0.6 nozzle, that's what you can see is 14 minutes and and 20 seconds. That's the best record I have. And for point 0.8 nozzle, I didn't push to its limit for point 0.8 nozzle, but I'm confident it gonna print like less than 15 minutes.
So the code sheet is here.
Okay, ghost ship is here. We are gonna start them. So two white steppers, yes. Two white steppers, two white stepper motors, and two separate stepper drivers on the motherboard, and two linear rails. You've never seen that before? I think Slab Maker has a similar design, the both linear rail and like dual y-axis and z-axis. I haven't used their machine, but I think it's similar.
Here again is that
Okay, let me set it. Let me let me adjust setting. It doesn't. And I wonder if we can show our audience about the screen here. And
you need something to hide the lights.
yeah, we got turn off satellite.
Yeah,
And yeah,
since that
yeah, but it's too blur.
I think we can put it closer.
Closer?
Yeah. Okay, good.
Good.
Yeah.
Can you see the numbers?
Not
Yes.
not very clear.
Not very clear. But I show you how to adjust the limits. Just click limits here and
Set
here
it
you
as
adjust
8,000.
what?
Set it as 8,000 for max acceleration.
Yes,
Yeah.
you can set it here. The max acceleration I set is 8,000, and deceleration I set it to 3,000. See, and the square corner. You can adjust the setting to create it faster. So yeah, at least for smaller objects. And those benches. Those bench.
Set the extruder to 220 degree.
Yeah,
And
because we are now printing faster, and and this is what everyone's saying about it. So it's the screen Detachable? Yes. Yes, you just remove a few screw and you can, you know,
Take it off.
detach it. And you know what? You can operate T500 on your computer or your browser because it has a Wi-Fi on it. Oh, I-
Back.
wait. And don't forget our timer. Where is our
Oh,
timer?
it's here.
Okay. Let me check if the settings. It's acceleration, result acceleration, and yes, it's working well.
Well, to print the normal Benchy, it takes like 40 minutes. So you guys can guess how long does it take to print the Ghost Benchy?
Those benches is definitely gonna take like 5 or 10 minutes longer. Probably, I will take it as success if we can print it in half an hour. So it's a pretty too long. Yeah, sounds nice. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So it's a ghost bench we are printing. I just want to be sure we can see all the details on the ghost bench. Know, we won't miss any detail. That's the best result. But if we fail to do it, I'm gonna, you know, slow down the acceleration.
Let's talk about some other things.
Uh,
Do you guys know the Mid Autumn Festival?
Mid Autumn Festival,
Yeah.
so it's a festival that means we gonna take a few days off, right?
Yeah. To stay together with
Family.
family.
Yeah. So how long we will be away from our office?
Like 6 days.
6 days. Well, we are gonna off the office like tomorrow.
Maybe we can show them the moonlight.
Yeah, of course. So anyone interested in this thing?
There it is.
Yes, we have just done a this thing. Moonlight on on T500. Oh, that's too bright.
Yeah.
That's too bright. And
Let's show them some detail first.
okay,
So maybe use the Photoshop font. So this is the tool that we do, and you can see some.
yeah, I think you don't need the lights. You don't need the lights.
Good.
Uh, I think it's too bright from our ceiling, but yeah,
What I can tell is, yeah, is that there are so many detail on this one. And we will make a video about this.
should we turn it on? That's too bright. Yeah. So you have been wanting to print a moon for a long time now. Yeah. Like we haven't print a moon night like that size on T500, but I'm pretty sure it can do it. Like this size moon night. Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you,
Thanks.
Michelle.
So we are going to do more little thing. Actually, a fan in our official group, his name is Matt. He pri- provided us like some little things for Halloween, and I think we are gonna print it next spring. You know that that for a little thing.
Even for that mega jewel.
Yeah, colors and mega. So we are gonna print it next screen.
You guys can put the T500 at your home to uh, make a dress for Halloween because it is a monster.
Yes, yes, you can definitely. Oh, show them the helmet, the pumpkin helmet.
Okay.
Yeah. So, okay, why don't we show you this? Printing and looks good to me, and I think I should gonna
Just
pull the camera closer. So,
stick with
it,
eyes again.
Alex, could you just watch the screen and let me know if the camera is good or not?
Yeah, yeah.
Is it good?
No, it's too low.
Too low?
Yeah. Still can be higher.
Is it good?
High.
Higher.
Higher. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, so your current printer is just over half the size of the printing area. So let me guess, are you using like um, any cubic Cobra Max or Neptune 3 Max, you know, to print like a half, more than half of the printing area, you're gonna need a 400 times 400 printing area. Oh no, probably 760. That's my guess. So enter Chrome, box lab. Okay, box lab. No, that's not half of size. It's like a quarter. You know, it, that's like a quarter of the printing size because you know what? We have a Ender 3 V2 new down here, and I'm gonna, you know, show you its printing plates. Okay, so let me show you this first. Let me show you this first and turn on the light. Yeah, it's looking good. It's actually a helmet. Oh, the entire printer. Yes, the entire printer. And so this is a Ender 3 build plate, and this is T500 build plate. Yeah, so put it
One
closer.
fourth of the T500.
It's like a quarter. Yeah, it's like a quarter. No, not even quarter. Like 1/5 of the buildings plate. So
Maybe even can reach a quarter of the T500 printing surface.
oh my, we are far behind the far behind. I I can't believe it's already 11 minutes. Yeah, 4 to 5. I didn't calculate. But yeah, definitely like 45.
A little more than 4 times, but can be 5 times.
Yeah, and we forgot the printing volume on the z-axis. If considering the z-axis is twice than industry, you're gonna have a 8 or 10 times printing volume, like 8 or 10 times printing volume for T500. So that's insane.
Pumpkin size is shining.
So, yeah, thanks. Thanks for that. Oh, by the way, we now have a discount code, a 50 discount code. It's called T550. Yeah, I just created it yesterday. So wait, wait, wait a second. T550.
50050.
Yeah, code to Spain. For
$50 discount.
discount. So, here's the code. Like, why it takes so long for that ghost benchy? I haven't even finished the base.
So how is the detail and in quality?
The detail is like fine. I haven't taken a closer look, but it looks fine to me. That's it.
Maybe we can bring the big ghost ship as a height for Halloween.
Probably we can, but
Yeah.
I think this ghost ship has been in this community for years. Probably we should print something um, like in this reason. And oh, why don't we show them the ghost? Ghost.
Celebrating the middle festival.
No, that's definitely not for Mid Autumn Festival. That's for Halloween. Yeah, let me give it back. This was printed on T500. This look at how huge it is. That's huge. Like we print the wings separately, but the body is in one piece. That's in one piece.
So the series for Halloween.
Yeah. But the theme today is Benchy. What's moving so slow? It looks like a 50 millimeter per second to me, but
There are
let me check what's going wrong.
so many details. The face.
Yeah,
So the
probably, but I already set the ratio to 8,000. Should be set. It shouldn't be that slow. Let me take a look. Probably because of the slicing.
not quite sure about that.
The maximum speed of this print is 270.
270.
270.
Oh,
But why is printing so slow? I'm not sure. It's the first time we live printing the Ghost Benchy, and we will wait till it finish. Wait, so have you tried printing PP carbon fiber and PP geoff? What is geoff? Sorry, I
that
know
means
that CF means carbon fiber, but geoff, I'm not quite sure. I printed carbon fiber, like PETG, in carbon fiber, like 5% in fail, and it's printing good. And we printed a Terminator. So Terminator was printed with PTG CF 5% detail. I almost
all the glass fibers. Yeah,
but
glass fibers.
glass fiber. I haven't printed the glass fiber filament. Oh, I forgot. So this one was printed with carbon fiber. Yeah. carbon fiber infill PETG 5%, and it printed well.
T500's L rock.
Yeah. Only terminate print up there is the scalp. I mean, you should probably do the first. Uh, it's like 10, 10 euros. I bought it on the Couch 3D. I couldn't remember the price, but it charges. Uh, do you know if the bed will be able to reach about 8 on production models? We tried to test the build place temperature. The maximum we can do is 90, but you will have a temperature difference, center from center to corner. So we said 80. Any temperature above 90, I'm not sure, but it can reach 90, but definitely not 100. Right. So why there is a stain on the ghost? Anyway, it looks
Seems
cute.
like a proof on the ghost. Yeah.
Why green poop? Probably I should paint it yellow. Yeah. Okay. So more about the hot bath. People ask me like, uh, T500s printing cannot print ABS. Uh, the we Yes, T500 cannot print ABS. That's more like a more industrial material. But in order to print ABS, you're gonna need more than a hot bed that can reach to 100 C. You're gonna need a enclosure. So I don't know where we can find an enclosure for that T500. Like, uh, print in place models with moving part. Yes, we tested like umbrella and the baker. Yeah, we have printed I mean dozens of bakers on it, but I don't know if I can still find one.
说那边好几边的放
Sebastian, have you tried the wrap-free Polymaker ABS printing really hot and slow? Um, Polymaker ABS. Okay, I'll write it down. Let me write it down, and I'll see if we can print that. If we can print it, we are gonna post it in our like our Facebook, and let me firstly check the the room temperature of it. What should the number be? So uh, free Polymaker ABS. We cannot use. Oh, so we didn't find the baker, but yes, we can definitely print a baker, like moving parts. So Polymaker ABS. I haven't tried T500, printing ABS because I'm not able to find a enclosure that big. The T500, the length is 91 centimeter. We will need a 1 meter length enclosure. I think that's not printed on T500. That's not printed on T500. Since it says more hot end temperature features that you will normally do with ABS. Okay. Yeah, we will give it a try. So, do you guys even sell enclosure in large enough for this printer? Um, we sell creality enclosure, but the maximum I think is for CR10 series. Um, we don't have an enclosure that large for T500, and we don't have it for now. Sorry. Polymaker ABS. I should probably give it a try, but I firstly need to figure out how to find a closure for it. Yeah. So those are the bakers we've done on T500. Yes. You can definitely move it and we print it self with self filament. Yeah, but it needs like some pushing. That's with self filament. A Polymaker also did a spring ones with Nick, explaining how to avoid wrapping. The higher hot end temperature reduces the stress in materials. It gives more time to settle before it's hardened. Yeah. So uh, we probably should cut the cooling time to 0 seconds in order to stick better on the build plate. And the build plate we are using is a PC sticker. You know, you probably need to apply some glue on the PIG, but you don't need on the PC sticker. And the problem here is we don't have the enclosure. That's the only problem. We haven't tried ABS yet, but um,
You can show
you
the
can try the ABS. I already have
That's
just printed and stored. What?
you can show the screen to
Okay.
audience.
Well, I don't know why it's taking so long.
It's
That
already like 14 minutes to finish all.
I'm not sure because that's not looking like a 270 millimeter seconds to me, or neither a thousand acceleration.
Check the quality.
And you know what? We will try ABS. If we succeed to print ABS, we will make a post.
Quality is not bad.
Yeah, but it's printing too slow. Like with that time, I have already printed two normal benches.
Like maybe three.
Yeah, okay, that's a ghost bench.
You should change the setting and try that again
Nope,
later.
I won't try again because that's nearly our launch time.
Now I mean
So
maybe the next live stream or
next live stream is for laser fans.
uh,
I'm not sure we will print benches. in that screen. So
Almost lunchtime.
yeah, almost lunchtime. Was the Robo CNC discontinued? The
Well,
the latest,
maybe
no,
never. In the CNC,
I'm not quite sure, but the
I think
latest laser engraver we have is
Z1,
Z1 Pro.
yeah, Z1 Pro,
Yeah, that was like 2 months earlier,
and
one
actually
1 month earlier.
it's like 2 months.
Yeah, it was like 2 months earlier, but we might need a more time to figure out what our next generation will be. You know, laser engraving on T500.
Well, actually, I have some thought about that, which is to laser grade something and combine it with the 3D printing work.
So we are making a snap maker tone
That is the CNC
with CNC
laser.
laser
Yeah,
and 3D printer.
yeah.
Uh, no. Yeah, we probably can install the laser head on that back plate. Uh, the CNC was for different, but I'm not sure how long you already worked on that concrete. It was seen like 2 years ago. So yeah, the CNC was like 2 years ago. It's Robo. Yeah,
Don't know that too much because I didn't do any work about
yeah.
CNC
Well,
since I came here.
when I first worked in Congo like 3 years ago, we have the Robo in that room, but I didn't see any more latest CNC machine in this company. So I'm
Or maybe that has been stopped.
probably, but we are still pretty active on you know on laser engravers. So the Ghost Benchy seems won't complete before our launch time, and I think we will just leave it printing.
And the printing and maybe check it to know how long does it take to finish it.
Yeah,
Or I guess maybe like 45 or around that.
yeah. It's taking so long.
Well, it is half past uh, 12 here. Time for lunch. Have you ordered lunch?
No,
Me too.
yeah. We should just go, and I will sit here for like 10 more minutes.
Uh,
I will be here for another 10 minutes. And if you guys have any question on Q500, I hope I get the answers for your question. So
next week. Yes,
next week we have holidays.
have
Yeah.
6 day vacation to
Yes.
celebrate Mid-Autumn Festival and National
Yeah.
Day.
Thanks, Sebastian. We will be back like in 6 days, and we will be back on October 5th. October 5th. What? Uh,
Well, probably like October 4th in some country.
is that Thursday next week or Wednesday? It should be Thursday. So all the more reason
Yes,
to make an all-in-one.
it's Thursday. Okay.
Okay, it's Thursday. So all-in-one or size that they itself to engraving or cutting perfectly. Uh, if we do that, we are literally cloning the snap maker. Yeah, probably we should do that, but we are now actually focusing on 3D printing. So you guys come back right before Thanksgiving or something.
Uh,
Yeah, I think Mid Autumn Festival is pretty like the Thanksgiving in European countries and in America. It's a date that family reunion and
you guys have the turkey and we have the mooncake.
yeah, probably we should have a turkey on Thanksgiving. Like we will be streaming on Thanksgiving, and I don't know if our audience have time to check us out on Thanksgiving, but yeah, get tech get together for turkey every year.
Yeah,
Yeah, we
probably Sam. We
same
get
with you.
together with our family to have the mooncake as well.
Yeah. Yes, laser and 3D print works because the movement system is similar, but CNCs are different. Either a bad CNC or bad good printer, then the expensive, not big fan of this. Yes, we can probably integrate the laser head on T500. I think we should do it, but do we need another build clip for the laser engraving? I think yes. We can integrate the laser head.
Not sure if that can do because when we use the laser engraver, the
Mhm.
maybe the minimum speed need to be well like 200 millimeter per second, and for some other speed it need to reach like 5,000 millimeter per second.
Five. You mean the traveling speed? You mean the travel speed?
Oh,
Yeah, because there is a limitation on speed for the y-axis of Q500. I think that's the reason we have to integrate the, the laser head on Q500, but we will see. We will see.
that is really interesting. Even we want to check if the laser engraver can, the laser
Yeah,
head can work
I
on.
used to sell like the pre-edited 3D printers, in pre-edited 3D official, and there is a combo. Yeah, we made a combo with Ender 3 and the creative laser head, and I think we can do similar with combo, probably.
If I remember that wrong,
But
I think
with the printer being so large, people won't have the room to run 3D printer with separate. Yeah, so we can definitely, try start in another program to fit the laser head on T500. And that's a good suggestion.
300 millimeters per second.
Yeah, I think 300 millimeter per second is like too fast for the y-axis on T500. Uh, for 3D printing, you might have like layer shift if you print at 300 millimeters per second. I think you might, but it's not 100%. We can probably try that, but often you don't run things so fast. Yes.
To 20,000 millimeters per minute, like doing the engraving work. And if you want to do the cutting work, that should be much slower than this.
Yeah.
Depending on what words and what material you use to do the laser work.
Yeah.
And this place is finished. And
And it's like 80% finished,
yeah,
20% to go. And hi. Yeah. So what's the minimum speed you can print is reviewing YouTube channels and then 80 millimeter per second? No. We like we printed we printed this Benchy like in 14 minutes and 20 seconds. 14 minutes and 20 seconds. The I haven't pushed to its limit, but the speed we can reach right now is 300 millimeter per second. And if I push to the limit, it's like 400. But I haven't tried print with it, but because I'm afraid of layer shifting, but probably I will try. Yeah, it's close to down. I think it's another 10 minutes. And regarding the speed, you know what? We are gonna to make another video to to clarify the actual printing speed that T500 can perform. So another 10 minutes, and it's
yeah,
gonna have your lunch.
no, I
No,
didn't know that.
okay. Neither do I.
I
So
want to lose my weight.
that's not health.
I'm too damn fat for
You're like twice weight of T500. Like
about that.
T500 weighs 33 kilogram. The net weight. You're
2.5 T500.
okay. You are 2.5 T500 weight. So, what kind of maintenance do that real requires? Um, I have been using this T500, this specific unit for more than like 1.5 months, and I have done zero maintenance. I think you just need to unreveal the steel plates on the axis, and you apply some lubricants on it. I think that's fine. I think that's all you need to do, or probably just the tension of the belt. So there are two holes on the front frame of T500. You can adjust the belt belt tensioning. Should I see that? Yeah, you can do the belt tensioning. from that two holes on the front frame. So yeah, I have printed so many stuff with that specific unit, and like I have printed more than 20 kilograms PLA, PTG, carbon fiber, and TPU. Definitely more than 20 kilograms.
Ron is a 3D printing expert.
No, I'm not an expert, just a hobbyist. And it's gonna finish. It's going to be finished in like 3 minutes.
Yeah, maybe
Yeah,
can be done before 50 minutes.
I haven't taken a closer look, but not sure if we have some layer shifting or missing any detail. But at that speed, I don't think we are going to miss any detail. Like 45 minutes already. We can print three regular Benchy with that time.
Yeah, not satisfied about the speed. Maybe try
Yeah, but
fast the next.
we
I
probably
mean,
yeah we will definitely try it.
yeah, we can fast that after the live stream. I think I saw something about the ghost ship on Zach Friedman's YouTube channel.
Did
Yeah,
he print that ghost ship with?
yeah, he used different material, different
Oh,
filament
I
to.
saw that episode. He printed. He said he bought every single like filaments he can find on Amazon. He print benches with them. So
I think
yeah, I think I saw that episode.
the topic is
Yeah,
cruises.
yeah, it's interesting, but it takes much longer than I would expect. I thought it gonna finish it like in half hour. So what what's that? What's that? Like, no.
You said that maybe it took like 10 minutes more than the normal cruise.
When do you think the orders will go out? Actually, we have already shipped the first 20 units. First come, first serve. The next 20 units gonna arrive in on October 5th. Arrive on arrive Los Angeles, and we will be able to ship it like in middle October,
Yeah.
and we will have like 200 units arrive in the US in the whole October. So yes,
So
so
that means for the first 20 units, you can get the machine like around October 20th.
no, that's not the first 20 because we already shipped the first 20, and I think our customers should already receive them. But you are
Oh,
talking about the second 20.
yeah.
Yeah, the second 20 we will ship like in middle October. Is that a layer shift? Hi, good morning, Sam. Oh my god. Are we having a layer shift or it's just the way it was built?
Yeah. Let me check about it.
No, that's not a layer shift. That's how it was designed. Oh, so it's a boom.
put it closer to the screen.
The cooling is fine.
Do you like what you see?
Huh, that's good. Yeah. Well, what do you think? I don't know if it's because how it was designed, but
Take a look.
I don't think we have every
There's-
detail.
There's even a
Yeah, I don't
nice
think we have every detail on that because we are using a zero point 0.3 layer height with a zero point 0.6 nozzle. Probably we should print it with a zero point 0.4 nozzle and with a zero point 0.2 layer height. We will definitely try it again. The design is cool. Yeah. We will switch to a zero point 0.4 millimeter nozzle and try printing it again. Because with a zero point 0.6 nozzle, you are losing lots of the details. So yeah,
some details on this.
yeah, some tweaking required steps. Yeah, yes, there are so many details being missed. So we will switch to a zero point 0.4 nozzle. Thanks. Oh, you never seen anyone ever try to print the ghost book? You know what? We are gonna print it again and we are gonna post it on the Facebook so you guys can take a look on it like probably tomorrow or at any time in the festival because we are gonna be off the office. We will make sure you have a view of it. Like, good. So the stream seems we need to end the stream like
Yeah, Braun is hungry.
yeah, I'm hungry. I'm going to grab like a bread for my lunch. Yeah, don't need to be fit or Ron will eat Alex alive. So you don't want to see it, right?
Stay fit.
Okay. So I think that's it for today. Thanks for joining our stream and bye.
Bye,
Bye,
guys.
guys. And we will be here to print some little fans when we are back from our Mid Autumn Festival. So stay tuned.
See you guys 1 week later.
Yeah, 1 week later. Bye, everyone.